In this exercise, we're going to compare direct map one word per block and word addressing versus fully associative cache one word block and then total cache size of 16 words. So first, it is a word addressing and it is a direct map, and then total size is going to be 16 words, and then block size is 1 word, and there's no information of total number of blocks. However, because we have the total size of the cache 16 words and the 1 word block, there are 16 blocks, and this is big-endian notation. Then we have
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down to 15 or F.
The previous example, we put index or set value in vertical way. However, for this example, we're going to put index value in horizontal way. That way, time goes from top to bottom, and then at the end, we should be able to find total content of the cache by reading from bottom up. So let's do it. Now we need to have 4-bit for the index 0011, which is 3. So it's going to go here, memory address 03. Again, this is word addressing. And before we have a 4 as an index. To B, we have a B as an index. 02, we have 02 here. And then rest. By just looking at the 4-bit, we should be able to place all of those. So let's do it.
BF 58, BE 0E, B5, 2C, PA, and FD.
And there's no hit at all. And then final cache content. It's going to be reading from bottom up.
02, 03, B4, B5, empty, 58, BA, 2B, 2C, FD, 0E, BF.
And we did this in the previous example, so you should be able to see the result. But that time we did it in the vertical way, and we saw 5 empty places, and then BE was replaced by OE, exactly like here. Again, this is word addressing, fully associative, and then total size of 16, and the number of blocks, and the block size is 1 word. That means total number of block is 16 block. Total size, I should say, 16 words. Then it is a fully associative. Then what's going to happen here is there is no index value, and there are total 16 blocks.
First into the first block. So 03, B4, 2B, 02, BF, 58, BE, 0E, B5, 2C, BA, FD, and then just reading from bottom up.
And this is the content of the cache. If there were any repeated number, then you can just use that and hit. So for example, BF instead of BE, then we're gonna have BF right there, and then we're gonna set hit. Okay, and then this is hit, and everything is gonna move to the left by 1. So what's the major difference between fully associative and 1 block cache? 1 block direct map cache. Direct map cache, you fill in based on the index value. At the end, we have 5 empty spots for direct map cache because there is a replacement right here. And then fully associative, we have only 4 spots because it's not going to replace until we fill in all these 16 blocks of the cache. Now sometimes it's easier to use fully associative cache just filling in, but the problem is to identify or go find that cache value. That's gonna be go through from top to bottom, and because there is no index value to locate the exact location of the cache. That's the main drawback for fully associative cache.